Good day, I am Mom Daisy, and today we will be adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions with dissimilar denominators. After viewing this video, you will be able to add and subtract rational algebraic expressions with dissimilar denominators. In adding and subtracting dissimilar rational expressions, we need to change the rational algebraic expressions into similar rational algebraic expressions first by using the least common denominator or the LCD and proceed as in adding the similar fractions. We need to follow this step for us to add or subtract rational algebraic expressions with the similar denominator. First, we need to find the least common denominator or the LCD of the denominator. The LCD of the denominators of fraction or rational expressions is also called the LCD. And write each expression using the LCD. Please make sure that each term has the LCD on its denominator. Afterwards, we're going to add or subtract the numerators and simplify if it is needed. Let's have some examples. Let's try to add 5 over 3a plus 5 over 4b. Since the two denominator does not have a common factor, we are going to get their LCD by simply multiplying the two denominators. So we're going to multiply 3a and 4b. So the product of the fraction is equal to 12ab. Then we are going to write each expression using the LCD. That will be 5 over 3a times 4b over 4b. And the second is 5 over 4b times 3a over 3a. For us to convert the expression with their common denominator already. Afterwards, we're going to add and subtract the numerator. So, diri ka na ma-add kang ma-subtract. So, you just simply copy 12b plus 15a all over now the common denominator that they have, which is 12ab. So, we will have this expression and we're going to simplify if needed. Since we cannot anymore further simplify it, this will be our final answer. Let's have our second example. 1 over 4x squared plus 5 over 6xy squared. The first step is we're going to get the LCD. Again, the easiest way to get the LCD is to simply multiply the denominators so that you can convert it into the LCD. So the LCD will be 12x squared y squared. This will be our expression when we write it using their LCD. Thus, we will have 3xy squared over 12x squared y squared plus 10x over 12x squared y squared. Now that we have already the expressions in their LCD, we can proceed with adding the numerators and simply copying the denominators. So we will get 3xy squared plus 10x all over 12x squared y squared. Since that is already in lowest term, that will be the final answer. Our next example is how to subtract our rational expressions using the similar denominator. Just like in addition, we need to get first our LCD. And the easiest way to get the LCD is to just simply multiply the denominators with each other. So if we multiply a by a minus 1, we will get this expression. Hindi anay pag isimplify by distributing a into a minus 5. Kay para nga mas hapos karon when we get already to simplify our expressions. Then we write each expression using the LCD. Okay, by multiplying the expression with the denominator of the other expression. So we will get a 2a minus 10 over a times a minus 5 minus 3a over a times a minus 5. By then, we will proceed with the subtraction part. We're going to subtract the numerators. Then we will get this expression. And just simply copy our denominators. Then we need to simplify as needed. So we will get negative a minus 10 over a times a minus 5. That is our final answer. I hope that you are having the right concept and you are starting to understand how to subtract and how to add rational expressions with the similar denominator. If the video is too fast, you can easily pause it for a while so that you will be able to process the information presented here. In our fourth example, we are going to subtract these expressions. So again, the first step is to get the LCD. And to get the LCD, we will just simply multiply the denominators. So our LCD will be x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then writing the expressions using the LCD, we will get this. After which, we're going to add or subtract our numerators. So in this case, we're going to subtract our numerators and we are going to simplify if needed. So the final answer will be 2 times 4x minus 3 all over x minus 3 times x plus 3. Let's now try to increase the